Welcome to the Arts Comprehend Getting Started series. In this first video, we access state assessment data for OAS 6 English Language Arts and explore it using the data table options. In my dashboard, I can click the Comprehend tool and select the OAS 6 ELA dataset. I want to organize the table so that I can better focus on specific data columns for analysis. I want to remove the rank, school name, class name, and read aloud columns. Let's move the Lexile score column next to the OPI column. And I want to remove the year column as well. I can adjust the column width, like in ethnicity, to display all of its text. The table modifications I have made are saved so that when I log out and return, I see the modified table. Sorting is straightforward. I just need to click the column's header once for ascending, twice for descending, and a third time to bring it back to its original order. I want the student names to stay visible so I can scroll to the right. To do this, I select Edit Columns and pin the first name and last name columns. This locks the columns to the right of the table. Columns checked under Hidden are not displayed in the table. Earlier, I dragged the year, rank, school name, and a few other columns off the table. This is illustrated by them being checked. For now, I am going to remove the gender and ethnicity columns from the table. If I was to click the Reset button, it would reset the table to its default view. But for now, I want to keep the changes, so I click OK. The search is a nice feature. If I need to locate the students whose reading level matches that of a specific book having a Lexile of 905, I can enter 905L and locate just those students. One final feature concerning the table, I can select Export to Excel, which creates a spreadsheet file of the data as it is currently displayed. In this video, we have explored how to use the Comprehend data table. In the next video in the series, we focus on how to use filters to disaggregate the data.